Getting a little bit better. We'll check in with Adam for what it's supposed to do the rest of today. All right, former Theranos CEO Elizabeth Holmes has been convicted on 4 counts of fraud and conspiracy. Some of the charges she wasn't convicted on. So what happens next? Fox 40 legal analyst Ken Rosenfeld joins us live at his office in Sacramento to talk about this case and another one making some big headlines this morning. But Ken, when we talk about Elizabeth Holmes, regardless of the charges that she was convicted on and not, details aside, this is a case that a lot of capital venturists and a lot of people in Silicon Valley were watching very closely. Do you think this could change the way they do business and how much money they raise quickly?
Well, I mean, I would hope not, because basically what a jury convicted her of, and I was surprised by the conviction, was fraud and wire fraud. So if they're doing ethical business, I don't think, why would they care how much they can raise and how quickly they can raise it? I think what it might give pause to, the idea that if you're going to have something and you're going to be a little bit shy on the facts,
right,
and maybe a little gray on facts, and you raise money, I think it may stop somebody from actually raising the money until everything is just locked tight in their contract or what they have in as far as their idea. Because obviously, Ms. Holmes's idea wasn't exactly what she portrayed to investors.
Exactly. All right, let's also move on to Ghislaine Maxwell. We've heard, a couple weeks ago she was not sentenced, but convicted. But just today, we were talking about someone on the jury came out and said it was found out that they were abused sexually when they were younger, and that now they want to go back, not the juror, but Ghislaine Maxwell and her attorneys want to go back and say, hey, this shouldn't have happened.
Well, think of it like an umpire in the NFL with instant replay.
Yeah.
That when the coach throws the red flag, her legal team is throwing the red flag, and this is going to get overturned. She is going to get a new trial. If what's being portrayed is accurate, and this juror did not disclose the fact that he was sexually abused, which was a question guaranteed asked by the judge. Now, keep in mind, jurors are sworn in. Right. They're sworn to tell the truth, and they're sworn that they told the truth to the judge in questions before they're picked. So something went very wrong here. Every trial has problems. Every trial has a juror that commits some degree of misconduct. But it happens in every case. And 99% of them are just harmless error. This is not harmless error.
Well, let me ask you. I think I heard the juror say at one point that they don't remember being asked that question. But in a trial like this, what you're saying is there's no way that question was not asked.
I would find it impossible. In a federal trial, the judges usually ask all of the questions. They don't allow the attorneys to ask questions. But given the nature of this case, the nature of the charges, I would, if a federal judge got to the federal bench and was dumb enough not to ask that question, then it should be overturned because the person had an unfair trial. There's simply no way in a high-profile case. And in this instance, high-profile helps her because of what's happening right now. It's getting national attention.
So we'll look to see what happens on that case moving forward, see if it's overturned and redone. Ken, thanks so much for joining us and bringing us up to speed on everything we need to know. Appreciate it.
My pleasure.
All right.